The Philippines has a lot of places that were named after prominent Filipinos. Let's visit one such place, the coastal town of Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. This is a fishing town, and because it faces the Pacific Ocean, it is often affected by typhoons. The area used to be part of Caramoan, then it became the municipality of Anderson. Hindi ko alam kung sino si Anderson. In 1949, it became Garchitorena. The town included the islands of Malabungot, Lamit, Hinalag, and a few others. Garchitorena, Camarines Sur was named after Andres Garchitorena. His parents were Mariano Garchitorena Ibasa and Maria Veronica del Buenviaje de la Estrada y Sauza. His oldest known ancestor is Santiago Garchitorena, born in 1775 in Cavite. The family was exempted from the Claveria Decree of 1849 because they have been using their surname for several generations, and their surname also does not appear in the Catálogo Alfabético de Apellidos. The family owned large tracts of agricultural land in Tigaon and Lagonoy. According to family stories, Andres served on the Comité de Reformadores when the Spanish Cortes reviewed its policies in the Philippines. Onofre Zaide's book, Saga and Triumph, The Filipino Revolution Against Spain, mentioned that Aguinaldo's junta stayed in Don Andres' house in Hong Kong. I found a Spanish article he penned, El Abaca, in 1903, written like the gentleman farmer that he was. It was published in the newspaper El Grito del Pueblo. In 1914, I found him promoting the agricultural potential of his region and even articulated his dream to build sugar mills in Camarines. In 1919, he was elected governor of Ambos Camarines, and that was also the year that Camarines Sur and Camarines Norte were separated. When he died, he was laid to rest in the Naga Cemetery. His son Mariano served as governor of Cam Sur and ambassador to Spain. His daughter Flor is the mother of Sandigan Bayan Judge Francis Garchitorena and the grandmother of performer now businessman Jaime Garchitorena. His son Salvador is the grandfather of actors Anjo and Jo Marie Iliana. Genealogy research observation. This is another family that recycles first names. So there are multiple people across multiple generations with the names Mariano, Salvador, Jaime, etc. So keeping track of the year they were born and their middle name helped minimize the confusion. It must be fascinating to have a town named after your ancestor. O, diba?
Meow meow.